Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the dynamic text, how you can add a page number automatically to any project. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I just made a copy of this original project. I just actually added some templates, same numbers. So if you would like to use the automatic page number, we have to go to the text. Here we can find the dynamic text, and here we have the page numbers. First we have this option to format. We have numbers only. We have a page plus number and page X of Y, means what you can see here, page 4 of 4. So now I'm choosing the second option, and here we can also choose which pages we would like to use with the numbers, and just increasing the size and change the font type, changing the color, adding red, going to the effects, using the outline, choosing the color to yellow, and changing the color to yellow, and decrease the size, the thickness to 10. Okay, and now here we have a button, apply properties to all pages. So if I click on it, oh yeah, of course, I removed the second page, so I have the page 3 and page 4, sorry. I just surprised here, but I forgot I just here, I removed the second page. So I have here the page 1, page 2 without the page number, page 3 and page 4. So that's a pretty cool new feature in the Canva. Feel free to use it. I hope so you enjoyed the video. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment. This is also important me for growing the channel. You can ask anything about Canva. I try to answer it as soon as possible. If you're just struggling it, something, or do you have any idea what you miss, what kind of tutorials you would like to see. Also in AI tools, I try to upload 2-3 AI videos also in every month. Also checking what new features we can find, and so on. So if you like my channel, please help me with a subscribe, with a like, and with a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Ciao.